frog right here because this is a tree frog. See, these guys, they're always...
No.
Aboy. It depends on the species, but also but it's a different species. These guys are masters of camouflage, in my opinion, with that green coloration. And we don't know much about what these guys eat, but plant is in the black pepper family, pollinated by bats normally, and they feed on the fruits or the pods that the plant produces. And these guys, they're everywhere. Which one? Daddy long legs. Daddy long legs or harvest man. It's also called harvest man.
Looks like a bug.
And produces peppercorns all over the tree. But yeah, this is a bit black or brown. Usually females are brownish and males can be a little darker. The pods like the seeds. So there is many bats eating them. And eventually they just poop them all over the forest. That's how they get dispersed.